Alright, hello and welcome back. I'll start with the usual disclaimer as always. There's nothing for sale here, nothing is monetized, there are no courses, mentorships, or otherwise. The YouTube videos don't even have ads, alright? The only link you'll find is to my Discord, and in the Discord, there again is nothing for sale. It's just trading talk. I do this to keep myself accountable, and it's sort of my trading journal. As usual, we'll start on Bloomberg, like we always fucking do. And there isn't really much going on here. It's the much touted up Trump Putin talk in Alaska. What is this? Secret Service rushes to Alaska City. Alaska City. Aren't they just going to Anchorage? Is that a city of what the fuck ever? Beyond that, there isn't really anything I'd find too interesting. It would be very bullish. We'd see a dollar drop demand if Zelensky actually agreed to pull troops out of Donbass and then freeze the front lines at Zaporizhzhia and Kherson. But I don't think we're going to see that. We discussed that a little bit in the Discord. Let me hop in the Discord. Wait, where is it? On the news thing. Yeah, so Zelensky wants an unconditional ceasefire before any negotiations, and he does not want to give up any territory. He wants $1 trillion in reparations from Russia. NATO membership, yeah, you can see that that's going fuck all nowhere. So, whatever they agree on, I don't know how it's gonna materialize. If Zelensky's still dead set on the 1991 borders or whatever. Anyways, we'll get to the markets. We'll start off looking at SPY. It's very, very bullish now. We're hitting all-time highs, and it has been very strong for a long while now. Ever since the tariff announcements, even though there are more tariffs now, it has been very strong, and it's reflected in the dollar index as well. The dollar is not as strong as it has been earlier. Either way, all of that is fine. The two trades I posted in the Discord. Oh, sorry. And discussed yesterday were enabled on the closing candles. Here I am a little bit conflicted with this trade because my script is broken, as mentioned earlier, and I was interested in the 12-hour entry on this one. So I totally forgot that I was on the 12-hour and looked at the 200 moving average as if it was on the 1 day. And since it is slicing right into the trade, that is no longer a valid setup. I would exit that right now. If you're in profit on that, it's not a valid trade. I don't care if it goes well. That's not valid. This one got triggered as well on a lower time frame. You should be in that. I'm not in any of these trades because, like we talked about earlier, or yesterday, I've hit my monthly max, which is 10%. Last month I hit 12% on accident, and 10% for that again. So this is the third month now I'm documenting trades. This one is looking alright. Just play it out if you're in it. Nothing much to comment on here. And we'll see how this one develops. As for further setups, there is not really that much. I looked a little bit through it. I'll do another small review. I also really need someone that can make a script. Here we could redo some lines. That's fine. Yeah. Oh, that's looking nice. You got the double resistance there as well. Damn. What was that? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's do a little review of what we've got open. Wait, didn't I? No, there we go. Oh, it's here. Yeah, so this one is still developing. We'll see how the candle closes here. The same for this one. It's going to be very interesting. And not tomorrow, not on Friday. I don't do entries on Friday. Yeah, stay away from it. I'd rather just do a review of the open trades. But on Saturday, I want to do a talk on SR areas. The type of talk I haven't done before. In regards to range sizes and the value you can put into, or currency actually, so to speak, into your SR areas. Because the bigger a range is, the thicker SR areas you can afford, with larger sell losses, more, safe entries, exits, everything. And, during recessionary periods and that kind of stuff, ranges are usually very, very nice. Now it's more of a breakout market, which is fine too. I mean, we're hitting a target every month. It's very nice. But I think that's a very important topic to get into because, as you can see, some pairs I have weaker SR areas, and on others, let me find it here, they're stronger, right? And it's not because it's stronger on this pair. I want to get into that more specifically in the next video. But with that said, there isn't much more to go through in this video. So that's all I've got for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just fucking DM me. Do whatever the fuck you want, bro. I don't give a shit. Leave a comment. Hop in the Discord. Ask there. Fucking message me on Instagram. I don't give a shit. Email me. I don't care. Anyways, thank you. I'll see you on Saturday. Probably Friday too. Bye bye.